Going back dun sa kwento ko kanina, so yung kaibigan namin nanghihiram ng pera kasi nga nahirapan na siya. Eventually kasi nag-move siya sa condo with his partner, and I think yung partner niya buntis ngayon. So, what I'm saying is, if you're having problems struggling with your finances, personally nag-struggle din naman ako sa finances ko. It's just that I don't wanna be stuck dun sa problema. I wanna move and think for a solution. And there's a lot of things you can do to improve yung situation mo. And I know that in a season, marami kang, like, may certain problema ka eh, or marami kang problema. But in a certain season, you still have to focus on a lot of things. Like, you have to take care of your family, your your friends. If you have friends, of course, you wanna take care of them too. You have your finances, yung income mo, you have to take care of that. So those are the things you have to take care of. So kung hindi mo siya mababalance, one aspect nung buhay mo will have a negative impact. So kasama diyan yung fitness mo, yung health mo. So it's gonna suffer too. So you have to balance them all. Hindi pwedeng yung finances mo is okay, but your family, your friends, your fitness suffers too. And of course, yung faith mo, your spiritual capacity. So you wanna make sure na balance yung limang yon. Pag hindi, then most likely magkakaproblema ka. Hindi lang yung problema, like problema na imbalance, kasi it should all of them should be integrated into one. Kaya nga integrity, di ba? Integrity means one. So whole, oneness. Magkakasama dapat yung limang yun, kasi pag one is suffering, then the rest might suffer too. So example is yung kung nagsasuffer yung finances mo, you have to find ways to improve yung income mo, yung revenue mo. So best thing to do is find another job, or probably get some overtime, or probably you get a promotion sa work, and find a side hustle. So marami kang pwedeng side hustle na pwedeng kunin, and probably yung hobby mo can also help